billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Uh, Today in this video we shall try to download and install Microsoft Visual Studio on Windows 11. So you can also repeat the same process for downloading and installing Microsoft Visual Studio on Windows 10 as well. So we shall search for MS Visual Studio Community Edition, and I shall try to download the latest. So the first link you see, Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition, download the latest version. We shall click on this. And click on this download. The reason we download and install the community edition is that it is free, and we can utilize the limited features, but all of these are free. So for the study purpose and for the learning purpose we can utilize this. So our installation is download is complete. So this is the online installer. You must have a good internet connection to start working with this. So we shall click on this. We are going to install this. Now this is going to take a couple of minutes because this is going to download the installation packages, right? And once these are downloaded, then it is going to install. So it may take 1 hour or 2 hours, right? Because it is a heavy software, not a simple one. So let it download, and so now it is downloaded completely. Now the installation process would install it. Now this Visual Studio installer has been installed. Now through this installer tool, we may install any other tools as well, right? There are a lot of tools available on this through this Visual Studio installer. So this is getting ready the things. So once these are done, we shall install the Microsoft Visual Studio Community Edition. So we have completed our installation for this Visual Studio Community 22. Installation is done. Now rebooting to clean any remaining files. Okay, so it is going to reboot the system once. So once the system is rebooted, so our Visual Studio code would be ready, right? So let's launch from here Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is ready and we can use it now. So it takes a couple of hours. It took about 2 to 3 hours to install this, right? So if you have Microsoft ID, I recommend you to create a free Outlook ID to get started with this. If you don't have any ID, you can skip this and skip and add accounts later. You can select the theme. I prefer this blue theme, so you can select the theme of your choice and start Visual Studio. So this is a welcome screen. Now you can create a new project, and if you have already many projects, you can open the local folder. If you have project files in a local folder, or if you have any other existing project, you can open it from here. It would allow you to browse the directory over there, and you can close the repository. That repository may be on GitHub or on Azure DevOps. Okay, so you can create your projects on a remote directory as well. So I shall create a new project to make sure if our installation is complete. Now as of our course is in C sharp, and in C sharp we are going to work with the Windows applications. So we shall try to navigate to the C sharp Windows Forms applications. If you see here, this is the C sharp Windows Forms app. So we shall select this, means this type of, we are going to create this type of project. Our project type would be C sharp Windows Forms app. So we shall click next. We shall name our project as first project, and we shall select the repository. In here we shall create a new folder in D drive. I call it RNC. You can name it any, and in here we shall create a new folder. Repos means repositories, and we shall select this, right? So our first project would be created in F drive, RNC folder, repository folder, and so on, right? So this is the first project and first project. So place the solution and the project in the same directory to remove any ambiguity, right? So this is the solution name. So next we shall select the .NET framework version, and always go for the long-term support version. So we selected the long-term support version. So it takes a couple of minutes to create the project. It's going to set the repositories, set the necessary code configurations. So here is the first form design. It is in design view, and later in today's class we created, we downloaded, we installed the Microsoft Visual Studio, and now we have started the first form application. So let's give it a try and see if it is working. So in next video we shall get familiarization with the interface of this Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio, the different tools and boxes and all the features provided here. So in the next video. So see you guys in the next video. Today we have completed the installation successfully, and follow these steps. And once you are at this stage, you need to means take a screenshot of this page and share with me, and this is your first assignment. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.